Welcome to Chapter 2, Programming Fundamentals, where we will cover 7 key topics related to programming. In this chapter, we will start by providing an introduction to programming languages. Programming languages are formal languages used to write computer programs. They provide a set of instructions and syntax for programmers to communicate with computers, serving as a bridge between human-readable code and machine-executable code. Continuing with our introduction to programming languages, we reiterate that programming languages are an essential foundation for software development. They enable programmers to create various applications and solutions. Understanding programming languages and their features is essential for aspiring developers and individuals interested in technology. By learning multiple programming languages and paradigms, you can broaden your skills and enhance your problem-solving abilities. Moving on to the overview of programming languages, we recognize that the choice of programming language depends on factors such as the application requirements, project scope, and personal preferences. There is a wide variety of programming languages available, each with its own unique syntax, capabilities, and areas of application. Aspiring developers should be familiar with several popular programming languages, such as Python, Java, JavaScript, C++, and Ruby. Next, we discuss the importance and role of programming languages in software development. Programming languages are the foundation of software development, enabling programmers to create various applications and solutions. Understanding programming languages and their features is essential for aspiring developers and individuals interested in technology. By learning multiple programming languages and paradigms, you can broaden your skills and enhance your problem-solving abilities. Let's explore common programming paradigms. Programming languages are often associated with specific programming paradigms. Procedural programming focuses on sequences of steps and procedures to solve problems. Object-oriented programming emphasizes objects and their interactions to structure programs. Functional programming centers around the evaluation of mathematical functions and immutable data. Other paradigms include declarative, event-driven, and logic programming, each with its own approach to solving problems. Moving on to popular programming languages and their features, we recognize that there is a wide variety of programming languages available, each with its own strengths and features. Python is known for its simplicity, readability, and extensive libraries. Java is widely used for enterprise-level applications and cross-platform development. JavaScript is primarily used for web development and client-side scripting. C++ is suitable for system programming and high-performance applications. Ruby is known for its elegant syntax and focus on simplicity and productivity. In conclusion, we encourage you to stay curious and keep exploring programming languages to stay updated with the evolving landscape of technology. In this chapter, we covered Introduction to Programming Languages, basic programming concepts, data types and variables, input and output, control statements, functions and modules, and summary and recap. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content and new technologies.